Total Preparation Jankipuram Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program.
Friends, in this video we would be discussing 100 one-liner current affairs from 1st of May till 15th of May. Let's quickly begin. Which day is observed as the International Labour Day? The answer is 1st of May. According to a recent study, on which river has the dams created by China witnessed drought conditions in downstream countries? The answer is Mekong River. Which organization recently released a report stating that COVID-19 currently possesses a threat of loss of livelihood by half of the world's labor population? The correct answer is ILO, the International Labour Organization. What is India's position as per the Budget Transparency and Accountability Survey? It is 53rd. Which state has recently launched a plan to impose COVID-19 cess for diesel, petrol and motor spirit? The answer is Nagaland. Which legendary former footballer of India, who was the captain of the Asian Games 1962 gold medal winning team, recently died of a heart attack? The answer is Sardine Goswami. Which country will host the World Boxing Championship 2021? The correct answer is Serbia. Which bank has recently launched its voice banking, that is, giving instructions verbally service on Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant? The answer is ICICI Bank. Who has been appointed as the permanent representative of India in United Nations? The correct answer is T.S. Tirumurti. Which state has recently secured the first position in the list of states for providing employment to more than 18 lakh unskilled workers under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. The Kaveri Water Management Authority is now officially brought under which ministry? The answer is Jal Shakti Ministry. Who was recently sworn in as the Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission, CVC, and Anti-Corruption Watchdog? The answer is Suresh N. Patel. Which international institution will allocate up to $1.5 billion to boost the economy of BRICS countries during the COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is New Development Bank. According to the report of the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Secretariat, how much economic decline does the APEC region expect in the year 2020 due to the impact of COVID-19? The correct answer is 2.7%. What is the estimated unemployment rate in the APEC region in the year 2020? The answer is 5.4%. The researchers from which Indian Institute of Technology has developed a web-based dashboard, Prakriti, to predict the spread of COVID-19 in India? The answer is IIT Delhi. National Thermal Power Corporation Limited has invited global interest papers for 10 hydrogen fuel cell based electric buses and 10 hydrogen fuel cell based electric cars for Leh and which city? The answer is New Delhi. Which country has recently launched a bounce back loan scheme to help small business facing crisis due to coronavirus pandemic? The answer is Britain. Which state government has launched the Jaganna Vidya Divina scheme for college students from the academic year 2020-21? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. The Bollywood actor Irfan Khan, who passed away recently, was suffering from which disease? The answer is neuroendocrine tumor. Which country recently lost the hosting of Men's World Boxing Championship 2021? The answer is India. Moody's Investors Service has reduced India's economic growth forecast for financial year 2020-21 by what percentage? The answer is 0.2%. Which country has approved a loan of approximately rupees 11,370 crore by the Asian Development Bank to help in the fight against coronavirus pandemic? The answer is India. Who has been appointed as the next US envoy to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development by the President of the United States, Donald Trump? The answer is Manisha Singh. India Ratings and Research has reduced India's economic growth forecast for 2020-21 from 3.6% to what percentage? The answer is 1.9%. How much life insurance cover was announced by Sarbanand Sonowal, the Chief Minister of Assam, for journalists covering the coronavirus pandemic? The answer is rupees 50 lakhs. For how many years has the Pakistan Cricket Board's disciplinary committee banned batsman Umar Akmal from playing in all the formats of cricket on charges of corruption? The answer is 3 years. How many crores of special cash facility has been announced by Reserve Bank of India for mutual funds? The answer is 50,000 crores. Which state government announced that on death due to COVID-19, financial assistance of rupees 15 lakhs will be given to the family of journalists? The answer is Odisha. In some districts of which state, more than 1300 pigs have died within a week due to classical swine fever? The answer is Assam. Which state government has recently launched the Aapta Mitra helpline and mobile application to counter COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is Karnataka. The former governor of Bihar, Tripura, and which other state, Devanand Kumar, died at the age of 77? West Bengal. Which state government has launched a mobile app, COVID Pharma, to track people who buy over-the-counter medicines for cough, cold, and fever? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Who was recently appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner by the President Ramnath Kovind? It is Sanjay Kothari. Which country's navy successfully test-fired anti-ship missiles in the North Arabian Sea on 25th of April 2020? The answer is Pakistan. Which organization recently released the April Commodity Markets Outlook, according to which COVID-19 is expected to reduce the value of almost all commodities in the year 2020? The answer is World Bank. How has India been ranked in the latest test rankings released by ICC? The answer is 3rd. Which veteran batsman has recently been adjudged the New Zealand's best cricketer of the year? It is Ross Taylor. Which day is celebrated as the World Press Freedom Day? 3rd of May is celebrated as World Press Freedom Day. Which state's Chakhao means black rice was given the geographical indicator tag? The answer is Manipur. Which state government has recently launched the Chief Minister Urban Employment Guarantee Scheme that guarantees at least 120 days of employment to people living in urban areas? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. How many states have been linked with the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme by the central government till 4th of May 2020? The answer is 17. The World Anti-Doping Agency has banned India's discus thrower Sandeep Kumari for how many years for failing the dope test? The answer is 4 years. According to the Commonwealth Games Federation, when will the Commonwealth Youth Games be held now instead of 2021 to avoid a clash with the dates of the Tokyo Olympics? The answer is 2023. Which country will launch its first ArcticM satellite by the end of this year to monitor the Arctic climate and environment? The answer is Russia. Which organization has recently developed an ultraviolet disinfection tower for rapid and chemical-free disinfection of high transition areas? The answer is DRDO. Which is the first Indian state to provide free and cashless insurance cover to all people amidst coronavirus crisis? The answer is Maharashtra. Which Kashmiri product has received GI tag recently? Saffron. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Oil Corporation, the country's largest oil company? It is Shrikant Madhav Vaidya. Which senior Congress leader has been appointed as the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee in the Lok Sabha? The answer is Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Name the states those have recently been using the Tikri Pehra community policing to prevent COVID-19 infection. The answer is Punjab and Haryana. The central government has recently approved the second installment of how much amount per person under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. The answer is rupees 500. How many photojournalists from Jammu and Kashmir have been awarded the Pulitzer Prize 2020 for their commendable work during the ongoing Bandh in the region after the removal of most of the provisions of Article 370 in the month of August last year? The answer is 3. Which operation has been launched by the Indian Navy to bring back stranded Indians abroad? It is Operation Samudra Setu. When is the World Asthma Day celebrated? The World Asthma Day is celebrated on first Tuesday of May. The professor of which IIT, Saurabh Lodha, was awarded the Youth Career Award in 2020 in Nano Science and Technology established by the Department of Science and Technology? The answer is IIT Bombay. When is the International Firefighter Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 4th of May. Which country's top leader has been awarded the World War II Commemorative Medal by Russia by preserving many memories including memorials and tombs of Soviet soldiers? The answer is North Korea. According to a report by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, how many people were rendered unemployment in April during the COVID-19 lockdown in India? It is approximately 12.2 crore. Who has been appointed as the director on the Central Board of Directors of RBI by the central government? He earlier served as the Secretary of Economic Affairs. Mr. Tarun Bajaj. Under which scheme more than 39 crore people were given financial assistance of 34,800 crore rupees? Under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. India has recently approved export of 2.50 metric tons of hydroxychloroquine to which country? The answer is Mexico. Which country has successfully launched a space rocket, the Long March 5B, from the southern island of Hainan province? The answer is China. Which portal was recently launched by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation working under the Ministry of Civil Aviation? The answer is Garud. The former head of which country's intelligence agency, Mustafa Al-Kadhimi, was recently sworn in as the next Prime Minister of the country? The answer is Iraq. Which day is celebrated as a Border Road Organization Foundation Day? It is celebrated on 7th of May. Who took over as the new Director General of Labour Bureau? Mr. DPS Negi. Which state government has recently launched a mobile application called Ayush Kavach, which has been developed by the Ministry of Ayush? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. According to Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, in how many years has the government planned to spend rupees 15 lakh crore on the construction of highways? 2 years. How many posts in the military engineering services have been abolished as per the proposal approved by Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister? It is 9,304. According to the central government, under which mission 64 flights will be operated from 7th to 13th of May to bring back the Indians stranded aboard? Under Vande Bharat mission. Which awareness campaign has been called for by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare for integrated soil nutrient management? The answer is Mission Mode. Which organization recently published the Lost at Home report, according to which about 33 million people have been internally displaced in the year 2019? The answer is United Nations Children's Fund. Who holds the first position as per the Forbes Indian Billionaires List 2020 released by American magazine Forbes? The answer is Mukesh Ambani. The tenure of which actress as the National Goodwill Envoy has been extended by the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP by 2 years? The answer is Dia Mirza. According to the latest data released by the West Bengal Forest Department recently, how many Royal Bengal tigers in Sundarbans increased in 2019-20? It is 96. How much loan has been approved by Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank to India to deal with COVID-19? $500 million. Which organization released the Digital in India report related to internet users in India in the month of May 2020? Internet and Mobile Association of India. Pandada Kuttappa, who passed away recently, was associated with which sport? The answer is hockey. Which anniversary of Maharana Pratap was celebrated recently in May 2020? It was 80th anniversary. On which anniversary of smallpox did the WHO and United Nations Postal Agency release a commemorative stamp? 40th. According to a recent report, by what percentage has India's energy demand decreased in lockdown? By 30%. Which state government has recently launched interactive health portal? By Kerala. Which country has recently approved an antiviral drug remdesivir to treat corona after the US that was created to treat Ebola? The answer is Japan. Which state government has recently launched the Ayush Kavach app prepared by the Department of Ayush? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who has recently been awarded the Freedom of Speech Award of 2020? The answer is Siddharth Varadarajan. Samsung has tied up with which company to launch Samsung Pay debit card? The answer is Sophie. According to the recent UNICEF report, which country has the largest number of people displaced internally in the world? India. Which day is celebrated as a World Migratory Bird Day? 9th of May. Which organization has recently appealed to the governments, companies and billionaires to donate $6.7 billion in funds for the essentials of vulnerable countries in the fight against corona pandemic? The answer is United Nations. How many work hours have been increased by the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, from existing 8 working hours per day in the factories? 12 hours. Which area of study was Harishankar Vasudevan, who died recently, related to? He was a historian. Which state has launched a new app called Pravasi Rahat Mitra to provide relief to migrants and to connect migrants with government schemes and jobs? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. When is the National Technology Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 11th of May. Moody's Investors Service has recently reduced India's economic growth forecast for the current financial year to what percent? It is by 0%. Which state government has banned 11 brands of pan masala for 12 months? It is Jharkhand. Which para-athlete has recently announced her retirement? Deepa Malik. Who has taken over as the Secretary of Ministry of Renewable Energy? It is Indu Shekhar. Who has recently won the title of Best Airport in India and Central Asia? Bengaluru Airport. Which country has recently announced an increase in VAT from 5% to 15% with effect from 1st of July? Saudi Arabia. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.